When you started Catwalk Botanics, what was your mission and vision with this particular brand?
If you go around, most people will tell you that they have either reduced drinking or they have cut down or taken a break. Why are they doing this? Because their body is rejecting alcohol. It started as a problem for myself. कोई trauma से कोई नहीं बचा है. And then you drink more to dial it down, overpower the voice in my head. But what they don't realize is that alcohol is making them physically weak.
There's this global rise in this sober curious movement. Is there any cultural shift you may see in India as well?
Because Gen Z grew up in millennial households and they saw what alcohol did to their parents.
How did Shark Tank happen for you?
विनीता ने मुझसे I think एक सवाल पूछा था and it became a meme also where she said that why is it called zero alcohol gin?
Why does it say 0% gin?
अब वहाँ पे जो banter हुआ था, this is how I am.
जिस टेस्ट को आप मिस कर रहे हैं वो एथेनॉल से प्रेडोमिनेटली आता है.
मुझे नहीं लेना है उस तरीके का प्रेशर. हमें ये मैसेज भी बाहर पहुंचाना था to the world that something like this can happen in India.
Hi everyone, welcome to another inspiring episode of Unicorn Mindset brought to you by Register Karo. I am your host Bhumika Rawat and today we have got Ishan Arora, the founder of Catwalk Botanics, here to share his journey of building non-alcoholic drinking brand and his Shark Tank experience, so stay tuned. Hi Ishan, welcome on our podcast. And
Hello, thank you for having me.
I would like to know, tell us about a bit of your entrepreneurial journey because before you started Catwalk as well.
My entrepreneurial journey started like in 2017, but before that, I studied law. I graduated in 2011. Then I worked as a lawyer for 3 years in a firm called Trilegal. After my stint at Trilegal, I moved to, I took a sabbatical and I moved to London where I studied music. Then I went to Boston to study music further in Berkeley, where during that sabbatical I realized that I want to do something on my own and I want to do something creative. So when I came back to India, I started a publishing platform which didn't work. The publishing platform was my first entrepreneurial venture where I went and the first time I tasted the fun that comes with entrepreneurship. When I say fun, I mean multiple kinds of fun. You have good days and bad days, but it's a very different world, right? Like when you before that, my professional life was about working for someone, right? So this was the first time that I started on my own, and unfortunately, that didn't work out. After 9 or 10 months, my investors said that you need to shut shop or do something about it or generate revenue because we need to move on otherwise. So I saw that I had a team of social media managers, designers, content writers, and that's the time I was like, okay, let me convert this into an agency. I went out, looked for a senior designer, got her to join me as the head of design because that's something that I don't know how to do myself. And then in 2017 is when we started this agency that I'm talking about. For 7 years straight, 8 years, we ran that agency. I worked with more than 150 brands for their marketing, design requirements. Learned it on the job. Some parts I learned while I was studying music because I had music marketing, music business as my course. But mostly you learn on the job, right? One thing I realized while doing it was that I want to do something creative. Like I have fun naming brands, giving them taglines, thinking of hashtag campaigns, and ideating content. So all that was fun to me. But during that time, I had this, gap that I kept thinking there was a void that, I wanted to start my own brand, like have my own brand. Working for other people's brand it's fun, but it's like you don't get the creative liberty, right?
Correct.
So then kept thinking of a product, kept looking for the right co-founder, but one thing or the other wouldn't work out. And eventually I've met my co-founder now, which is Catwalk's co-founder, and both of us decided to do something together. And yes, the entrepreneurial journey continues, but now I have my own brand to focus on.
But since you have started, multiple ventures under your belt,
Yeah.
what's that one thing which you think helps you keep on building?
I take things very day to day. I do have a plan for the next 3 years, 5 years, but when you have so many things going on for a brand also, there's so multiple things are happening. We're a small team. Plus, I don't like to scatter work too much. I like to keep things compact. So I feel that the one thing that keeps me going is essentially the small wins, right? That you get, like for example, a new restaurant agreed to keep catwalk. That's a great win. Somebody reached out on Instagram on my DM saying that's a great product. They love the taste, and they're thanking me for creating it. So all these things are very important to me, and they kind of overshadow the negative, right? So it because if you sit down and Bhumika, it's very easy to look at the negatives and wallow, right? So you have to train your mind that okay, negatives are going to happen, bad things are going to happen. You can't, you live in a world, right? वो कहते हैं ना गाड़ी सड़क पे चलेगी तो लगेगी, right? So वो वाली बात है. तो आप positives देखो. बड़ा मुश्किल से ट्रेन करना पड़ता है अपने आप को इसके लिए. इट्स नॉट ईजी, एंड ये भी प्रोसेस है, चलता रहता है. आज भी उसकी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है, वो ख़त्म नहीं होती है, राइट? ऐसा नहीं होता कि दैट लाइक I've achieved nirvana. No, I'm also training myself every day, but yeah, that's how I like to function.
So when you started Catwalk Botanics, what was your mission and vision with this particular brand?
So Catwalk happened because of both opportunity and necessity. So I saw an opportunity where I figured that people gradually are understanding the negatives of alcohol much more than they used to. Be it content on social media, be it general consumption behaviors, people are now, there's an evident reduction in alcohol consumption. Now, as much as the alcohol industry wouldn't want you to believe that, and they have the money and the resources to tell people that look, this is great, like alcohol is great, look at the parties that are happening, everybody's drinking, but that's not reality. If you go around and ask people, most people who are so-called woke people, who are self-aware, will tell you that they have either reduced drinking or they have cut down, or they've taken a break, or they're taking a break. So why are they doing this? Because you see, it's very simple. Their body is rejecting alcohol, right? It started as a problem for myself, of course. Like every other founder, I faced this problem first, and that's the necessity part, right? Where I figured that I need an alternative. Because I personally, I am, when I I go out, but just to give you a little recap. So I used to go out and drink and party and drink a lot, and started thinking that without alcohol I can't socialize, and I have dependence on alcohol. Like it's only fun socializing when you're drinking. But then eventually I realized that that's all in my head, right? As a child, I used to have fun without alcohol. When I would meet my friends, I would hang out with my friends. What happened? What changed, right? So that it's the same problem that when I was facing, and I was like, okay, maybe I'm not alone. There are other people also, right? People don't come up to me because they think I enjoy drinking and I'm into partying. As soon as Catwalk happened, I started talking about it, that I'm thinking on these lines. I was trying to quit drinking at the time. Now I'm 2 years sober. So I started telling people that I'm thinking about this, and they're like, yeah, I also want to cut down, and I realized that I have opened a platform for my friends and for my acquaintances to come up to me and tell me that they are also struggling with this. And the more people I would talk to, the more I would understand that there are so many people today. So you see, Gen Z is not drinking as much as the millennials did, right? When we were growing up, when we were in college. Millennials, their body is rejecting alcohol, right? Once you cross 30, 35, that bracket, as much as you want to believe that you can have 10 drinks is going to make you struggle the next day, right? Even 2 drinks are making people struggle the next day today. So it happened because I saw that eventually people will need an alternative. Yes, if you go to a party today, people would say that क्या ज़रूरत है, अगर आप नहीं पी रहे हो तो पानी पी लो. क्यों पी लो भाई? जो नहीं पीता है उसको भी तो कुछ अच्छा पीने को मिलना चाहिए ना. द बारटेंडर शुड हैव वर्क हार्ड फॉर हिम ऑल्सो, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि that you know if you like you mentioned that you don't drink, so if you go to a party, right? ये आपको mindset आपका बिठा दिया गया कि that अगर आप drink नहीं करते हो तो आपके लिए कोक है, जूस है, सोडा है, राइट? और वो इतनी कंडीशनिंग हो चुकी है कि दैट आप एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर रहे हो कि आपके लिए कोई एक महंगी बॉटल पड़ी होगी, अच्छा उसमें कुछ कुछ स्पेशल होगा और उसको बारटेंडर उसको यूज़ करके आपके लिए कुछ बनाएगा, तो आप यू आर ओके विद इट, राइट? जब ऑप्शन ही नहीं है तो मैं तो यही पी के मैं घर आ जाऊंगी, लाइक आई हैव 2 drinks and I'll come back. But once you realized, Bhumika, that you know there is an option, that you can also on a dinner table at a bar order something nice for yourself. Right, there is a brand that is and I'm not the only brand, there are other brands as well, that there is a brand now today who is offering a special drink for a non-drinker.
Correct.
Right, so it happened because I saw a requirement for myself. The more people I spoke to, the more I realized that this is not just me. The trend was already up in the West, and like other trends, we are more confident about this trend coming to India because human body doesn't change, right? The color of the skin changes, but the negative impacts of alcohol will be felt on an Indian origin person as much as it is felt on an American origin person.
But don't you think that the product that you're making, is it only for non-drinkers, or does it help the drinkers to quit drinking as well?
Okay, helping someone quit drinking, there are 2 ways you can help someone. One is to convince them that alcohol is bad, and they are addicted to alcohol, so you have to convince them to leave. That job remains still with rehabs and doctors and all those people. A brand cannot do that. We have created this for people who are already aware that they want to cut down or want to quit. So if you're already aware of the fact that you want to cut down or you want to quit, we have an alternative for you. We can't help you quit. Yes, we can help you with an alternative when you are given a choice between alcohol and a non-alcoholic drink. So we'll give you a choice there, right? We are there, you can use this. Today, I go to parties and I go to events where we are serving catwalk. And I see drinkers coming up to the bar and they see catwalk, they're like, okay, I'll also have this only. I have something, I have an early morning tomorrow. I have a meeting tomorrow. Oh, this looks nice. Let me just have this. Because these people earlier, they were not getting drunk, right? ये वो लोग हैं जो मतलब आपके हाथ में एक वाइन का ग्लास लेके पूरी पार्टी निकाल देते थे, या हाथ में या 2 ड्रिंक्स में पूरी 4 घंटे निकाल दिए. तो उन्होंने तो सबसे पहले स्विच कर लिया because they didn't even want to have those 2 glasses of wine. Right, they were peer pressured into it. So now they are like, okay, now we have this, we'll have this. So yeah, like it is for them. It is for people who are already looking to cut down, looking to quit, or who have cut down, have quit drinking.
What are your point? What is your point of view on people pressuring, or people getting into peer pressure and then they start drinking and everything? Because I have seen people that you also said that people think that they are cool enough to drink and everything. For a person like me, I am someone, either it is yes or no for me, and मैं black and white में ही जी लेती हूँ एकदम. I've never tried it, और peer pressure मुझ पे कभी work नहीं करा, but I've seen people getting into peer pressure and then they have started drinking and then they got so addicted. इतना तो जिन्होंने addict करवाया वो भी कभी नहीं थे.
Addict करवाया. Nobody gets anybody addicted to anything.
Yeah, but
it
there
comes
are people,
from within, right?
They have no control, no sense of self-control.
मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. सो अल्कोहल 2 तरीके से पी जाती है. एक that it helps you loosen up. Right, like you get आपने 2 drink पी and suddenly you're chirpy, you're talkative and you're having fun. And second है using alcohol as a coping mechanism, as a form of escapism. तो क्या होता है कि देखो आज की डेट में nobody is कोई ट्रॉमा से कोई नहीं बचा है, सबको ट्रॉमा है. राइट, हर बंदा अपने अपने डेफिनेशन बना के बैठा हुआ है कि दैट मुझे ट्रॉमा है जी. किसी का चाइल्डहुड है, किसी का लाइक एडोलेसेंस कह लो, एंड लाइक कॉलेज में ट्रॉमा हो गया, ब्रेकअप हो गया, सब कोई ना कोई ट्रॉमा लेके बैठे हुए हैं. अब ट्रॉमा क्या करता है? ट्रॉमा इज़ वेरी सिंपल. ट्रॉमा इज़ बेसिकली अ वॉइस इन योर हेड दैट इट रिमाइंड्स यू ऑफ द इंसिडेंट और अ सीरीज ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स, राइट? अल्कोहल क्या करता है? अल्कोहल उस वॉइस को नम डाउन करता है, उसको उसको डायल डाउन करता है, सॉरी. तो जब अल्कोहल आपके ट्रॉमा, जो आपकी इनर वॉइस है, उसको डायल डाउन करता है, तो आपको मोमेंटरीली बड़ा अच्छा फील होता है कि दैट राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट द ट्रॉमा, राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग अबाउट माई पास्ट, आई एम लिविंग इन द मोमेंट, राइट? सो पहली 2 ड्रिंक तो आपने फ़न के लिए पी, 3 ड्रिंक पी लोगे आप फ़न के लिए. 4th ड्रिंक आप तो फ़न के लिए पी रहे हो, बट फर्स्ट अल्कोहल टेक्स यू टू द पॉइंट, रिमाइंड्स यू ऑफ दैट trauma, reminds you of that you know god forsaken incident, whatever happened in your life, and then you drink more to dial it down, कि that किसी तरीके से I want to overpower the voice in my head, right? So most people, like when you see them, drinking or abusing alcohol, drinking too much, you can gauge that there is something that they're trying to escape. It's very simple, right? If you'll talk to them, they'll even tell you.
Yeah, it's evident.
It's evident, right? But what they don't realize is that alcohol is making them physically weak. And to process trauma better, you need to be physically strong.
Yes.
Your alcohol is making your nervous system weak. Alcohol is making your brain weak, your heart weak. And all these things, you use them to process trauma better. So most people who need or should go to therapy and talk it out are not going to therapy, are keeping all the emotions inside and using alcohol to run away from it, to escape from it. खैर ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क बात हो गई, बट मेरा मुद्दा यहाँ पे ये है कि दैट फॉर अ ब्रांड लाइक कैटवॉक हम ये सब नहीं एड्रेस कर सकते, राइट? बट मैं आपसे इन जनरल बात कर रहा हूँ कि दैट अगर कोई एक्चुअली में इस चीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेगा ना कि दैट यार अल्कोहल इज़ नॉट सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. येस, उस दिन रात को मुझे अच्छा लगता है, बट नेक्स्ट डे, अब रात को तो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, पार्टी ऑन है, म्यूज़िक हाई है, सब पार्टी करें, सब करें. नेक्स्ट डे यू आर इन बेड अलोन, स्ट्रगलिंग, you have anxiety, you're fidgety, and you're wondering what happened, right? Your nervous system is weak. So अब आप वहाँ पे अकेले हो, तो अब जब आप ये रियलाइज़ करोगे ना कि दैट जब आप अल्कोहल छोड़ते हो तो सबसे पहले आपका नर्वस सिस्टम स्ट्रांग हो जाता है, राइट? आपका ब्रेन जो है वो उसका फोकस बढ़ जाता है. एंड ये एक ना, मतलब मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता सकता हूँ कि दैट जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंक करते हो ना, तो अल्कोहल जब ज़्यादा पीते हो, तो आपको ना एक अंदर से एक अंडरलाइंग फीलिंग रहती है कि दैट समथिंग रॉन्ग इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन. वो एक्चुअली इट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विद योर माइंड, इट हैज़ एवरीथिंग टू डू विद योर नर्वस सिस्टम, राइट? वो वीक हुआ है अल्कोहल की वजह से. तो अब जब आप आपके दिमाग में ही चले जा रहा है कि समथिंग इज़ गोइंग रॉन्ग, फ़ोन बज रहा है तो आप फ़ोन को देख रहे हो कि दैट लाइक अब क्या हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है उसमें, आपके जोमेटो से आई है नोटिफिकेशन, बट आपको डर लग गया कि दैट अब क्या आया है, राइट? अगर कोई ईमेल आया तो आपको डर लग गया, वो आपको ईमेल चाहे नायका से आया हो या मिंत्रा से आया हो, पर आपको डर लग गया कि यार अभी बॉस का ईमेल आ गया होगा, राइट? तो ये सब चीज़ें जो होती हैं ना, ये आपको अल्कोहल क्या करता है, वो आपका नर्वस सिस्टम वीक कर देता है. तो एंजाइटी का वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजन्स फॉर एंजाइटी, एग्रीवेटेड एंजाइटी, इज अल्कोहल. Alcohol induced anxiety, it's a true phenomenon.
Okay.
And the more people, you Google it, read about it. If you have anxiety, Google if alcohol is responsible for your anxiety and read about it, and you'll know that how alcohol increases anxiety.
I've heard of this, there's this global rise in this sober curious movement, I've heard.
Yeah.
No, what do you think? Is there any cultural shift we may see in India as well?
Sober curious movement essentially has stemmed from the movement of self-care, which is to take care of yourself, right? Take care of your body, take care of your mind. Why are these people sober curious? Because they want to see what happens if they don't drink alcohol. Some people have never had alcohol, but most people who practice, who are an active part of sober curious movement, are people who are now trying to understand if life is better without alcohol. They're curious, to find out. but it is a product of self-care that, you know, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, so Gen Z क्यों नहीं पी रहा है इतना ज़्यादा, because Gen Z grew up in millennial households, right, with their parents were millennials, and they saw what alcohol did to their parents, their father, their mother, their relationships, right? Most of the Gen Z that doesn't drink alcohol grew up in households where alcohol was predominant, right? And they saw that it didn't solve a single purpose.
Yeah, in few
It
cases.
it spoiled their parents' marriage. It spoiled their finances growing up. There was nothing positive that came out of alcohol, and they grew up to not want it. They don't want that for themselves. Plus, by the time Gen Z got to the point where they could drink alcohol, I think they also saw so much information out there about people struggling with physical and mental health issues because of alcohol. So they consume content, right? They're reading things, they're watching things. So they're like, no, we don't want to. So Sober Curious movement is something which one might think that it's happening in the West, but it's happening in India as well. It's just that in India, the opposite of Sober Curious movement is right now so predominant online that those people who are following Sober Curious movement or are now today not drinking or practicing self-care, they are not getting that kind of exposure online, right? उनके कोई सुन नहीं रहा है, उनसे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है,
Right.
वो अपने घर में चिल कर रहे हैं, उनको नहीं पी रहे हैं, वो खुश हैं, कोई उनसे बात नहीं कर रहा है, सब उनसे बात कर रहे हैं जो you know that I like to call them 4 more shorts audience की, that you know everything is about shorts, right? Because वो content अभी बिक रहा है.
Right.
But you see in the years to come, जैसे जैसे wellness industry बढ़ेगी, जैसे जैसे आपकी एक ये सेल्फ केयर मूवमेंट बढ़ेगा इंडिया में, सोबर क्यूरियस मूवमेंट भी आएगा और उसका कंटेंट और ज़्यादा दिखेगा. अब टुडे you know today only I saw an article in Mint Lounge, huge, about you know, people going sober.
Okay.
Every day today, Bhumika, you see people like so many media houses, like today India Today has covered it, Economic Times has covered it, everyone in India, every big media house has covered Sober Curious movement. If it was only Western, why are these people covering it? Last year saw a dip in the growth of alcohol sales. Where is that coming from? Today you go to any bar, any pub, you ask them, they will tell you that, you know, alcohol sales have gone down in the last 6 months. I am saying that all this is happening because people are now
Getting
more
aware of-
more conscious about what they're putting inside their body. It's not just about alcohol, right? They're not consuming sugar the way they used to consume sugar. Yes, this product, let's just say that this product, like what we've created, is not for the masses. You and I are sitting here recording this podcast, and this might not be consumed by the masses, right? What we are doing here also is something for the, you know, the 10%. I'm being very generous when I say 10%. It's mostly the 1%, right?
Right.
But if you look at that 1%, they are now very mindful of what they're putting in their body. Sugar, gluten, alcohol, everything is being accounted for, right?
Right.
They work out. So all the things that they're doing, except for alcohol, is for their personal mental and physical health. Now, if you do all things right and you're still drinking alcohol, you won't get the benefits,
Correct.
right? So they are also now like, you know, मैंने sugar छोड़ दी, मैंने gluten छोड़ दिया, मैं exercise करता हूँ या करती हूँ, but मुझे उसका impact क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Why do I still feel horrible? Or like, why am I not losing weight? Why is my skin not getting better? Right?
Correct.
So because alcohol is not conducive to all your goals, physical and mental health goals. कोई आज जागेगा, कोई जाग चुका है, कोई कल जागेगा, बट सब जागेंगे. मैं आपसे ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि दैट क्विट करना इज़ द आंसर. मैंने क्विट करा है बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू लिव दैट लाइफ वेयर आई डोंट वॉन्ट एनीथिंग एडवर्स. that comes with alcohol. But what I'm saying is that mindful drinking is important. Sober Curious is also a lot about mindful drinking, right?
You believe in mindful drinking or no drinking?
I believe the answer lies with the person whom you're talking about, right? So some people are able to do mindful drinking. I was seeing जावेद अख्तर साहब ने अभी पीछे एक वीडियो में बोला था कि दैट प्रॉब्लम 2 ड्रिंक की नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दैट 2 ड्रिंक पे कोई रुकता नहीं है. अगर आप 2 ड्रिंक पे रुक सकते हो ना, तो अपनी 2 ड्रिंक पी लो.
Okay.
पर अगर आप 2 ड्रिंक पे नहीं रुक सकते हो तो थम जाओ, क्योंकि यू हैव वन बॉडी, उसका ध्यान रख लो थोड़ा. Why not, right?
Right, correct. So, as you also said that it is for 1%, so I feel that your product is mostly, I feel it's for the elite audience. Are you having something for the general audience as well, for the rest of the people?
I think, like this is a very controversial thing to say, but elite क्या होता है? Elite तो देखो, elite is a mindset. आप but मैं आपसे बताऊं कि that yes, एक audience है, upper middle class, classify उसी तरीके से करते हैं जिस तरीके से हमारी सरकार ने कर रखा है. Lower middle class, lower class, lower middle class, upper middle class, and so on. So yes, हिंदुस्तान में बड़ा सिंपल है भूमिका, दैट जब आप 50-60 रुपए से ऊपर की कर देते हो एक बेवरेज को, तो वो अपर मिडिल क्लास के लिए हो जाती है, राइट? हाँ ठीक है, कुछ बेवरेजेस हैं जैसे रेड बुल थी, तो उसने बहुत इस चीज़ का फ़ायदा उठाया, उसने मिडिल क्लास को बहुत सर्व करा है, बिकॉज उसका एक पर्पस था, वो फंक्शनल थी, लाइक उससे आपको एनर्जी आती थी. बट टुडे व्हेन यू लुक एट ब्रांड्स लाइक स्टिंग एंड चार्ज कमिंग, ख़त्म हो गया ना. कहाँ गई वो मार्केट? उनको मिल गया ना 20 रुपये में, 30 रुपये में ऑप्शन. तो हमारा ना बड़ा सिंपल है कि दैट अगर मैं किसी को आज की डेट में, हमारी बॉटल्स भी आती हैं, राइट? अगर मैं किसी को आज की डेट में बोलता हूँ कि दैट ये 1299 की बॉटल है, 1300 की बॉटल है, ये आप पी लो, इसमें ये नॉन अल्कोहलिक जिन है, राइट? सो अगर वो सामने से ये कह रहा है कि दैट 1300 की बॉटल और इसमें तो शराब भी नहीं है, तो वो मेरी ऑडियंस नहीं है. और अगर कोई ये कह रहा है कि दैट नाइस या 1300 इज नाइसली प्राइस्ड, यू पुट सो मेनी बोटानिकल्स इन इट, इट्स वेरी टेस्टी, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, दैट्स माय ऑडियंस. So I wouldn't like to classify them. I would say that I have made a product. If you understand the value in the product, it's yours.
Okay.
If you don't see value, then you are seeing value somewhere else. You'll come back later. Don't worry.
That's great.
Yeah.
Also, how did Shark Tank happen for you then?
Shark Tank happened because both my co-founder and I, we were sitting and I still remember एक meeting खत्म हुई थी and he was leaving the office and I was like कि कर दूँ, apply कर दूँ, ये खुला हुआ application है. He's like कि देख लो, तुम्हारी मर्जी है, अभी तो हम 4 महीने पुरानी कंपनी है, मुझे नहीं लगता. एंड देन ही वाज आल्सो लाइक कि कर ही देते हैं. So बड़ा ऐसे yes and no हो रहा था एंड बोथ ऑफ अस वर लाइक कि कभी वो कह रहे थे कि कर देते हैं, मैं कह रहा था कि रहने देते हैं, कभी मैं कह रहा था कर देते हैं, कभी वो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं मत करो. एंड देन आई डिड इट एंड आई टोल्ड हिम ऐसे मैंने कर दिया, अब देखी जाएगी, अब मैंने डाल दिया है इसमें, पहला फॉर्म भर दिया है. एंड पहले फॉर्म के बाद आई थिंक शार्क टैंक पीपल ऑल्सो लाइक्ड अस, दे काइंड ऑफ सॉ अस getting to the tank, reaching the tank. So they also helped us, like they also kind of helped us get through, and we kept sailing through. It's not easy, like it's not easy because it's TV.
Obviously.
It's not easy because it's money, right? So वो तो आपको formalities तो करनी पड़ेंगी, वो आप कहीं बाहर भी करोगे, आप TV पे भी करोगे, but they make it easy, like they're very helpful, the team at Sony.
How was your experience over there?
It was good, yeah, till it happens. See, till you get there, you're nervous. When you're there, you forget to be nervous because there's so much happening in the tank, right? Like, you have 5 of the industries. There's a reason they are called sharks. So when you get there, when you're standing in front of the sharks, who are called sharks for a reason, the first 2-3 minutes when you're pitching, that's the part that you've learned. Right, the rest is just Q&A. It's one cut, right? But the first 2 minutes is something that you've learned, and you want to narrate your pitch, and you want to make sure that they have a good impression. So that part is makes you nervous. But after that, then you forget that they are sharks. Then you forget that there are cameras on you, and then you're yourself. I have been उससे पहले like almost 2 साल से I've been selling catwalk to the world, right? In the sense that first the ideology, then फिर product आ गया, product आने के so जब आप एक brand खुद बनाते हो from scratch, एक एक product का आपको पता होता है कि आपने क्या डाला है, इसकी recipes क्या कैसे करा है. So I have been into every process that this brand has ever followed, right? Be it the R&D, the recipes, the product, the packaging, the branding, the marketing, the sales. Even if my partner and I, we have two things divided between us, like few things divided between us. So he takes part of some things and I take part of something. But we still talk, no? We like to understand what we're doing. We like to basically be there for each other. Sometimes you have to vent, right? Like about, so you're there. Like that's what co-founders are for, right? Come vent with me. Like don't worry about it. सो शार्क टैंक में जब हम पहुँचे तो ये सब चीज़ें होने की वजह से आपको नहीं याद रहता कि दैट आपको नर्वस होना है या कुछ होना है. जब आपसे वो सवाल पूछते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कोई जनरल बंदा आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा है, राइट? सो विनीता ने मुझसे आई थिंक एक सवाल पूछा था एंड इट बिकेम अ मीम ऑल्सो वेयर शी सेड दैट व्हाई इज इट कॉल्ड जीरो अल्कोहल जिन, इसमें जिन का टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा. सो अब उन्होंने उसको बिना डाइल्यूट करे पिया था एंड आई ऑलवेज से इसको डाइल्यूट करो. सो द कैन्स आर ऑलरेडी डाइल्यूटेड, वी एडेड टॉनिक वाटर. बट व्हेन यू लुक एट आर कॉन्सनट्रेट्स, देयर नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, तो वो कॉम्पैक्ट हो जाते हैं बॉटल में एंड देन उसमें कुछ थोड़ा सा मिक्स करोगे टॉनिक सोडा तो वो ओपन अप करेगा, तो उससे आपको और फ्लेवर आएगा. शी हैड इट नीट, शी सेड इसमें जिन का फ्लेवर नहीं है, व्हाई इज इट कॉल्ड जिन. सो द आंसर दैट आई गेव टू हर दैट जिस टेस्ट को आप मिस कर रहे हो वो प्रेडोमिनेंटली अल्कोहल से आता है, एथेनॉल से आता है, वो आंसर मैं सबको दे रहा हूँ. जब भी मेरे को लाइक कोई ऐसे किसी ने नीट गलती से पी लिया है तो मैंने उनको यही बोला है कि दैट वो एथेनॉल से आता है, बट आप ट्राई करो, इसको डाइल्यूट करोगे तो बेटर आएगा फ्लेवर. you'll taste the juniper we've added, right? जिन में प्रेडोमिनेंट फ्लेवर जूनिपर होता है, हमने जूनिपर ऐड कर दिया है, राइट? सो ये एक चीज़ जो वहाँ पे सवालों के जो जवाब हुए थे, अब वहाँ पे जो बैंटर हुआ था, दैट बैंटर ऑल्सो इज दैट्स हाउ I am, right? Like you've sat with me like almost like we've known each other for an hour now, and we've had a discussion before this as well. This is how I am. I like to keep things light. I like to engage in banter because I feel that what is the point of creating that pressure on yourself? कौन सी भेड़ चाल है भाई? आप सब अपनी अपनी जर्नी में हैं, मैं अपनी जर्नी में हूँ. मुझे नहीं लेना है उस तरीके का प्रेशर, उस तरीके का स्ट्रेस. मुझे नहीं, ना तो मेरा ब्रांड सीरियस दिखने में है, ना मैं सीरियस दिखने में होना चाहता हूँ. क्यों होना है? I want to have fun with what I'm doing. There's a reason that I've created an alcohol alternative beverage that looks so fun in its packaging and everything.
Packaging is very nice. I also
Yeah, so we've created a fun brand. We wanted to come across as fun founders, and that's what we did at Shark Tank. जहाँ तक डील की बात है, हमें आइडिया था कि कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. We were a 4 months old. Like the operations were just 4 months old. 4 महीने हमने सेल्स करी थी, 4-5 महीने हम उसके बाद चले गए थे. पर हमें ये ना नॉट जस्ट कैटवॉक, हमें ये मैसेज भी बाहर पहुंचाना था टू द वर्ल्ड एट लार्ज दैट समथिंग लाइक दिस कैन हैपन इन इंडिया एंड वी आर हियर, राइट? कि दैट नॉन अल्कोहलिक जिन भी आ गई है इंडिया में. अब आप पी सकते हो. अब 30-60 ml आप इस बॉटल से निकाल के मिलाओ, उसमें अपनी ड्रिंक बनाओ. सो नॉन ड्रिंकर्स कैन ऑल्सो एक्चुअली एंगेज इन दैट स्पेशल फीलिंग ऑफ मेकिंग अ ड्रिंक फॉर देमसेल्व्स, अ ड्रिंक दैट हैज़ नो शुगर, मेड विद नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स. The packaging, the bottle looks nice, right? So it makes you feel special. The experience is the same, but of course it won't get you drunk. If you want to get drunk, you know where to go. Not here.
Right. Yeah. You saw that there was an online backlash for your valuation, if you'll see.
Yeah.
है ना? So what do you think? Was your brand misunderstood over there?
No. See, as founders, you know what your valuation is. You take that valuation to them. High, low, it's defined by us, right? It's on them to put like to approve it or not. We went with that valuation because that was the valuation that we did our last round on, and we were not looking to I don't remember any backlash as such, but yes, I know people were like that valuation is very high. I think Vinita also said valuation is very high. It's fine, not the end of the world, right? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आपको high
You're so
लगी.
chill.
या अब क्या इसमें क्या सोचना ना कि that मुझे पता है मेरी कंपनी क्या valuation है, उन्हें नहीं लगता है.
People get
बात
stressed
करो.
very easily at such moments कि वो अब मेरे ब्रांड पे क्या असर पड़ेगा, अब क्या देखेंगे लोग, एंड इम्पैक्ट एंड एवरीथिंग.
यार मैं आपको बताऊं, शार्क टैंक और एनी सच, जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, आप कुछ लाइक एक ब्रांड एक्सपोज होता है, लोग ब्रांड के बारे में देखते हैं, कभी कुछ नेगेटिव भी होता है, कभी कुछ पॉजिटिव भी होता है, बट इफ़ यू डू योर प्रोडक्ट राइट एंड यू कीप ऑन expanding, going to more people, there will always be people who will love it, there will always be people who will hate it.
Right.
Not everybody loves Coca-Cola also today. A brand like Coca-Cola, and you will meet people who hate Coca-Cola, right? चाय का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. There are people who hate tea,
Yeah, true.
right? The most universal drink, and then it has haters as well.
Right.
So बड़ा सिंपल है, आपको मिल जाएंगे लोग अगर आपने प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बनाया है. प्रिडोमिनेंटली एक कलेक्टिव फीडबैक ये है कि दैट लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, तो आपको आपके कस्टमर्स मिल जाएंगे. हर एक को अपना कस्टमर बनाने की कोशिश मत करो. डोंट ट्राई टू win everybody's heart. See whose heart comes towards you, and then just enjoy their.
But do you think your product also contributes to drinking culture in some or the other manner?
Like a gateway.
Yeah.
You know, मुझे किसी ने कहा था कि that what if this becomes the gateway? ये like पहले आप ये नॉन अल्कोहलिक पियेंगे और फिर आपका अल्कोहल पीने का मन
हाँ,
करेगा.
exactly.
हाँ, मैंने
I am
उनसे
asking
मैंने
because
उनसे यही कहा
मैं नहीं
था.
पीती,
हाँ,
तो
तो
कहीं
मैंने
मैं
उनसे
भी
यही
हूँ.
कहा था कि अगर किसी का अल्कोहल पीने का मन करना है ना, तो वैसे भी कट जाएगा. एक मेरे कैन को पी के, एक मेरी बॉटल में से एक ड्रिंक पी के, नॉन अल्कोहल ड्रिंक पी के कोई ऐसा मतलब वो नहीं करेगा. देखो, मैं वही आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि जो अल्कोहल कोई इसलिए नहीं पीता है क्योंकि उसको एक तरह से टेस्ट आ गया कुछ. अल्कोहल आप पीते हो फॉर द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज यू नो समथिंग इज गोना हैपन. जब आप पहली बार ड्रिंक करते हो, सो आप वेट करते हो कि अभी कुछ फील होगा, राइट? आपने एक ड्रिंक पी ली है, अब आपको कुछ फील होने वाला है. आप उस फीलिंग के लिए पी रहे हो, आप टेस्ट के लिए नहीं पी रहे थे. तो कैटवॉक का थोड़ा सा एक सिप लेके आपको ऐसा नहीं हो जाएगा, ओ दिस टेस्ट इज नाइस, नाउ लेट मी get to the classics, you know, get to drinking alcohol. No, that's not going to happen. I don't think so.
That you also had a personal experience with, quitting drinking and everything.
Yeah.
So when you started this brand, didn't you try therapy and everything for quitting drinking alcohol?
So I started drinking when I was I think 20, right? I was that young. 20 is a decent age. I had my first drink with my father.
Okay.
We had a very alcohol friendly household, but it was always the underlying opinion was that drink in moderation, don't be stupid about it. But of course I was young, wild and free, and I was like, of course I'm going to be stupid about it. So from 20 years of age to 33 years of age, periodically I was stupid about it because my parents were not saying no. It's the hardest when your parents are not policing you, right? Because then you have to police yourself, then you have to control yourself, right? Like अगर जिनके मैंने देखा है जिनके पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालते हैं या जिनके घर पे नहीं पता है कि वो ड्रिंक करते हैं, वो ज़्यादा they tend to drink much more.
Yeah, true,
Right?
correct.
And this was a good thing about my house, that my family and this is the reason that I never I never became an alcoholic, or like I never I drank like once or twice a week, but I did binge drinking, right? Also, I was not drinking alone. I would go out with my friends, I would party, and I would enjoy myself. But by the time I got to 32, 33, I realized that now I'm not enjoying drinking. Now, after 3 or 4 drinks, I am kind of wallowing. I'm kind of, my brain is asking for more alcohol so that it can stop thinking about a certain things that happened in my past. So when I turned 34, so this is how I do New Year's resolution. So मैं New Year's resolution ऐसे नहीं करता कि 1 जनवरी से कुछ छोड़ना है. मैं 1 जनवरी को decide करता हूँ कि इस साल छोड़ दूंगा.
Okay.
And then I give myself time कि that पूरा साल है, अब prepare करो अपने आप को, पर छोड़ना है इस साल. जितनी जल्दी छोड़ोगे उतना अच्छा है. So जब साल शुरू हुआ था 2023, I told myself that I'm going to quit drinking this year. On May 12th, I quit drinking. I'll complete 2 years on May 12th. So when I wanted to quit drinking, I was trying, and I realized that, you know, there has to be a way, like, what am I doing wrong here? So I signed myself up in therapy.
Okay.
I got myself a great therapist. And I told her, I said, listen, you need to help me. I need to quit. I don't drink a lot. I don't drink that often, but I think it's hampering my life. My physical health, my mental health. I have 2 companies to run. I run my own house. I live alone. I don't live with my parents. So मुझे घर चलाना होता है, मुझे कंपनी चलानी होती है, मुझे अपना ध्यान भी रखना है. So I need to get done with alcohol so that I can focus on the more important things. She said, I can help you understand why you drink.
Okay.
And I said, that's all I need to understand. And then we started, like, I think 6 sessions into it, 6 or 7 sessions into it, I told her I've quit drinking. That, yes, last night was my last time. I'm not going to drink again. She said, okay. If you feel like drinking, don't be too hard on yourself. Have a drink after a couple of weeks.
Okay.
Don't punish yourself. I said, no, don't worry about it. In therapy, what we addressed was essentially things that compelled me towards alcohol. That why is it that I can't have fun without alcohol anymore? Why is it that I want to do, like, if I'm doing a business meeting at night, I want a drink in my hand? I was always a friendly person. I grew up as a person who everybody loved. I would talk to everyone. I would talk to people of all ages. And suddenly I had these inhibitions that, you know, like, what will people think if I'm not drinking? And, you know, I'm crazy sober. Like, to bring my crazy out, I need to be drunk to show, to validate my crazy. One thing led to the other. In therapy, we spoke about, childhood, college, early career, the companies that I run, the work that I do. And I realized that the problem is that I need to be at peace with where I am today. Where I've come from, where I am today, and where I want to go. I need to find that peace. And once I'm at peace with everything, I might not need alcohol. And I started hunting for that peace. I'm a religious person. I pray. I tend to, be very grateful to God for everything that I have today and everything that this journey. I'm just grateful for this journey. So I kind of channeled my spirituality as well. Like, like I've... all things came together when I realized that I don't need alcohol to have fun, to bring my true personality out. Most people are drinking to bring their true personality out. Right. There's an Italian saying, there's a phrase in Italian which says, in vino veritas. It means under the influence of alcohol, you speak the truth. So essentially the true personality comes out, right? Why are you worried? Let it come out without alcohol. Let it flow. The same friends will love you without it. So, when I quit drinking, a lot of my friends would say, क्या बात कर रहा है? छोड़ दी, क्यों छोड़ दी? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, तू कभी नहीं पिएगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है. Like, पार्टी में मैं खड़ा हूँ तो पीछे से ऐसे 2 शॉट्स हाथ में लेके आ रहे हैं, मेरी तरफ तक आ रहे हैं, मेरे पास तक आ रहे हैं, फिर मुड़ जाते हैं कि यार तूने छोड़ दी यार, ऐसे कैसे? But this was the first 3 months. And then I saw the shift when they're like, yaar, ye kaise kiya yaar? Mujhe bhi karna hai yaar. How do you do this? How are you dancing till 4 a.m. without alcohol?
Drinking, yeah.
How are you still like it's 3 a.m. The party is on. We all are drunk out of our wits. You're not drunk, but you're still partying. How? So it took me a while to get there, right? Because
Yeah,
initially,
definitely.
बड़ा simple है. जब मैंने शुरू में छोड़ा था alcohol, the first thing that happened was that I was like, how will I party? How will I go out? What am I going to say to my friends? What will I do? And catwalk was one thing that really helped me. कि at least all my friends, all the places that I go for dinners now, I make sure that they serve catwalk there, right? That there's a bottle of catwalk on the bar, and I would make a catwalk. I will hold that drink, take 3-4 drinks of catwalk, and not worry about it. You know, the sober person doesn't need to worry. That's what I always say. The person who's not drinking doesn't need to worry. The people who are drinking, they need to worry, because the person who's not drinking is well aware of their surroundings, right? So, now that I don't drink, when I go to a party, I see people getting drunk around me, and it's so much fun. Like, of course, I don't judge them. I've been there.
But do you try
but
to
it's-
stop your friends as well? Ki nahi, mat piyo and everything.
No, I've never done that. But yes, when they talk to me about it, when they initiate the conversation, I always say that,
You advise them.
try. Like, try to control. I don't, you see, quitting, I quit, but I would never suggest people to quit. Right? Quitting is something that happens when you, it's a very extreme step.
Agreed. But when you are feeling at peace and fun and everything, even when you have quit drinking, then you can suggest your friends. There are people who do suggest or advise their family or their
You see,
friends.
like for example, it depends. If a friend comes to me and she's saying that my skin is breaking out, and like it's really troubling me. Like I it's breaking out every now and then. I'm getting a pimple on my face again and again, and I tell them that get off alcohol for a while. It'll help you, right? There are a lot of toxins in alcohol, right, which react to your skin. Doesn't matter how much you're spending on your skincare. Alcohol is making all of that redundant, right? So if you want to, I always say this, that alcohol is the best anti-aging skincare routine, that you can, like quitting alcohol is the best anti-aging
skincare.
cream that you can buy.
Ah.
So then if a friend comes to me and says, listen, I keep falling sick. And I have friends who keep falling sick. Like every 2 weeks they will fall sick. Every month they will fall sick. And if they come to me and then they're like, I'm talking to them like, I've fallen sick again. I always tell them, I said, just stay off alcohol for a bit. No, it'll increase your immunity. So see, it's very simple. Alcohol compromises your immunity. Alcohol is bad for your skin. Alcohol is bad for your mental health, for anxiety, for depression.
Agreed.
Alcohol is bad for weight management. It will, a liver that is exposed to alcohol will burn fat much slower than a liver that is not exposed to alcohol. So, and then you have things like alcohol being a group 1 carcinogen. It can cause cancer. Now all these studies of 2 drinks a day is fine, 1 drink a day is fine, all these studies have now made redundant, right? They have all been rejected by scientists around the world, that not even a single drop of alcohol is healthy for you, right? So first people will wake up to the reality of the fact that they need to take care of themselves, right?
Right.
They need to watch what they eat, watch what they drink, exercise. And once they start doing that, then they will wake up to the fact that alcohol is not really conducive to all these goals. So it's a process. No, it happened to me. It will happen to everyone. Gen Z is smarter than millennials. They have already they don't need to learn from the mistakes. They don't need to make mistakes themselves, right? Gen Z is not making mistakes and learning from them. Gen Z is learning from the mistakes that millennials made.
Have already made, yeah.
Right? They are consuming so much content, be it reading, watching videos online, which is kind of showing them that they are so much more than addiction. With millennials, there were also some things that we didn't have this much content when we were growing up, right? Nobody was telling us. आपको सिर्फ एक ही इंसान मना करता था अल्कोहल पीने से जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, जब मैं कॉलेज में था, वो था डॉक्टर आपका. तब कोई फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नहीं थे, कोई न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स नहीं थे, कोई आपका आपके पास कोई आप ऐसा कोई न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट डाइटिशियन नहीं होता था. आपके पास करने को भी like alcohol was the only thing that you could do. Today you look at activities, you go to district app or Zomato and see how many things are happening today. When I was growing up, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा होता था. So अगर आपने chill करना है तो आपको किसी के घर पे जाना है, उसकी छत पे चढ़ना है, and like you're all drinking today. If you have money, then आप बाहर जा रहे हो, पार्टी करने जा रहे हो. पैसे नहीं है तो किसी के घर पे जाके वहाँ पे बैठ के पी रहे हैं.
हाँ, ये तो
so अब जेंसी के पास जो है ऑप्शंस भी हैं, and they are smart enough to know that they want to pick the more intelligent thing to do.
what's right for them.
What's right for them, what's right for their future.
Yeah, correct. But though you coming on your business, though you didn't get the Shark Tank funding and everything, but how did you capitalize the brand visibility that you have got?
We did. We tried. Like, listen, it's very simple. When you get that kind of exposure, you should capitalize on it, right? But as a brand, we also don't want it to look very inorganic. That like मतलब आप एक हद तक ही वो चीज़ कर सकते हो. Also, our brand, our vision is much bigger than just coming on Shark Tank, right? Shark Tank is a great medium for marketing.
Marketing, yeah.
If you get a deal, it's perfect. Today, I think, if I'm not wrong, the statistics are that only 80% of the deals that you see that happen on Shark Tank go through. क्योंकि वहाँ पे चेक मिलने के बाद एक चीज़ होती है, उसे कहते हैं ड्यू डिलिजेंस. उस ड्यू डिलिजेंस में बहुत चीज़ें फॉल आउट हो जाते हैं, बहुत सारे, राइट? लाइक आपके सो मेनी थिंग्स डोंट वर्क आउट. ड्यू डिलिजेंस तो एक चीज़ है, और भी बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं, राइट? फ्रॉम दैट चेक टू एक्चुअली money coming into your bank. So Shark Tank को primarily पहले एक marketing channel के हिसाब से देखते हैं, right? जब आप marketing करते हो, जो आपको एकदम से एक बहुत बड़ा influx आता है, of like traction आता है, website पे लोग आ रहे हैं, सब कुछ आ रहा है, तो आप उससे capitalize करना चाहते हो, right? आप उसे करते हो capitalize, but आप उतना ही करते हो जितना आपके brand के vision के साथ aligned है. आप आप you don't go bonkers about it, because you know that this happened. Yes, this was great. We came on Shark Tank. People saw us. People saw that this category is coming to India. And then sit tight. Do your job. Do what you're supposed to do. Talk about it.
Right.
But don't talk about it as if you've, won an Oscar.
But what are your thoughts on, for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to enter in wellness industry? What would your advice for them?
Wellness industry का तो देखो, I don't think I am a wellness industry product, but yes, I am a product which is which will help people achieve wellness, physical and mental wellness. But I can just say that it's an industry that's gonna really boom in the next 10 years or so. It's already happening. People are realizing by the day that they need to take care of their body. They need to take care of their mind. If you find the gap, if you find a problem and you think you can give the solution and your solution will make the difference, just go for it. फिर क्या सोचना है, right? But yes, my only suggestion is that make sure you have the right partners and they share the same vision. Like, for example, Amir and I both, we're co-founders in Catwalk. We share the same vision. He has been a teetotaler all his life. I have been a drinker, erstwhile drinker now, all my life, right? He always used to feel that जो लोग drink नहीं करते हैं, वो मतलब वो party में जाते थे तो क्या option है? लाइक अगर मैं 3 घंटे पार्टी में मैं कितनी कोक पी लूँगा ना. अब क्या है, कोक में कैफीन है, आप रात को कोक पियोगे, डाइट कोक पियोगे, आपको नींद आने में प्रॉब्लम होगी उस दिन रात को, राइट. मॉकटेल्स में इतनी ज़्यादा शुगर डाल देते हैं कि दैट आपको इट्स वर्स फॉर यू, लाइक लाइक इससे अच्छा आप कुछ भी मत पियो उस दिन शुगर पीने से अच्छा. तो कुछ तो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि दैट आपको लगे कि यार कि इट्स हेल्दी, इट्स नाइस, बट इट्स ऑल्सो समथिंग विच इज़ क्यूरेटेड, विच इज़ मेड फॉर मी, राइट. तो हमने इसी स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से ये सोचा कि दैट लाइक एक विजन हम दोनों का अलाइन कर गया कि दैट मुझे छोड़नी थी और मुझे ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं मिलता था पार्टी में. उन्होंने कभी पी ही नहीं थी, तो उनको कभी ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं मिलता था. सो ऐसा अगर आपको कोई विजन अलाइन आपका किसी के साथ हो जाए और आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो कि ईजिली कि दैट आप दोनों ये काम करोगे. सो जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है वो उसकी वीकनेस है, और जो उसकी वीकनेस है वो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है. अगर ये सब चीज़ें लाइन कर जाती हैं ना, फिर मैं ये मानता हूँ कि दैट आप दोस्तों के साथ भी काम कर सकते हो, आप अपने स्पाउस के साथ भी काम कर सकते हो. फिर डजेंट मैटर आप किसके साथ काम करो, आप स्ट्रेंजर के साथ भी काम कर सकते हो. यू कैन स्टार्ट अ कंपनी, बट दीज थिंग्स नीड टू बी अलाइंड.
I wanted to know that how was your initial prototype? How was it developed? आपने सबसे पहले कैसे?
सबसे पहले तो देखो R&D हमने स्टार्ट करी थी 2022 आई थिंक अप्रैल या मई में. पहले तो प्रोडक्ट बनता था और ड्रेन होता था, क्योंकि पहले लैब में बनाते थे तो पसंद नहीं आता था, फिर बनता था एंड इंग्रेडिएंट्स चेंज करते थे, वॉल्यूम अप डाउन होती थी, एक फ्लेवर की क्वांटिटी अप डाउन होती थी. फिर उसके बाद जब आप फ्लेवर वहाँ पे ठीक बन जाता था, लाइक आपकी रेसिपी ठीक बन जाती थी, तो फिर लगता था कि चलो अब इसको बड़े स्केल पे बनाते हैं. एंड जैसे इसको बड़े स्केल पे बनाते थे तो वो ख़राब हो जाती थी, लाइक बिकॉज द बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन व्हाट यू मेक इन द लैब एंड वर्सेस व्हाट यू मेक इन योर प्लांट. सो वो वहाँ पे फिर ख़राब हो जाता था. तो इतने मतलब लाइक आई थिंक कम से कम भी 3 से 4 हमने हज़ार लीटर के बैच ड्रेन करे हैं. बट दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ reaching the point where you get the product right. So eventually after 2 years of R&D we launched the product, and I still as a founder believe that the product should keep evolving till you have a collective feedback from the market saying that थोड़ा सा कुछ ये है, ये कर सकते हैं. कलेक्टिव फीडबैक, एक बंदे के फीडबैक से नहीं चलता है. बट अगर आपको लग रहा है कि दैट 3, 4, 5 लोग आपसे एक टाइम पे ये बात बोल रहे हैं कि दैट ये थोड़ा सा ठीक कर दो, तो उस पे काम हमारा R&D चलती रहती है. प्रोडक्ट को बेटर करना फॉर द वर्ल्ड एट लार्ज, उस पे R&D कभी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. बट जस्ट टू मेक द परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट आपका लॉन्च इतना भी डिले नहीं होना चाहिए. क्योंकि मार्केट से जो फीडबैक आता है ना, वो फीडबैक इज़ मच बेटर देन आप 50 लोग एक कमरे में बिठा के उनको पिला के जो फीडबैक लोगे. राइट. तो या दैट वाज आवर प्रोसेस. एंड अभी भी हम मार्केट से सुनते रहते हैं कि क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, कुछ आ रहा है.
और उसके बेसिस पे फिर यू
चेंज कुछ नहीं होता है, ट्वीकिंग्स होती हैं. आप थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें करते हो कि ठीक है, अगर ये चीज़ कलेक्टिवली कुछ इशू आ रहा है तो वो ट्वीक करते हो. फिर अच्छा दूसरा नए प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हैं, उन प्रोडक्ट्स पे काम होता है कि दैट लाइक अगर मार्केट से फीडबैक आ रहा है कि दैट ओके जिन एंड वॉट का है और भी अल्टरनेटिव्स चाहिए, तो उस पर काम करते हैं.
एंड हु डज द प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग?
Product development, we have an NPD, we have a new product developer. So our lab is in Vadodara in Gujarat. We're also moving our factory now from Delhi to Gujarat because we need a bigger space. So yeah, तो वो तो चाहिए, वो important लोग हैं. हम तो my co-founder is a sales person, I am a marketing person. We needed somebody to develop the product, and we have thankfully found a good person who understands what we are creating here.
So what are your main revenue streams as of now? Website?
D2C is big, like we sell on our website, but primarily we focus on Horeca, which is your hotels, restaurants, and cafes or catering, whatever. So हमारे लिए वो बहुत important है, because that's where we think that most people when they're socializing they want an alternative if they're not drinking. So if they're sitting in a good restaurant, they're not there to get drunk, they want something nice, so we should be available there. That's very important for us.
How did you sell your initial product, the first product? First
Uh,
one.
First product, I still remember the first restaurant. There's a restaurant called Mesa in Lodi, and
Okay.
I still remember तब तक हमने ऐसे अभी sales नहीं start करी थी. हमारा product बन गया था, and my sister was there. She went for a meal and she met the owner, Sandeep, and like so she told. So he was telling my sister that how they don't have a license for alcohol yet. It's a new restaurant. So my sister said, you should meet my brother. He's started something which is non-alcoholic gin, non-alcoholic vodka. And I went to meet him. He loved the products. We started there, and God bless him. That was such a great platform for us. He helped. He still helps me so much because it's very important for me to understand hospitality. You see, मैं आपको आज एक बात बताता हूँ. दो तरीके के हॉस्पिटैलिटी फाउंडर्स हैं. प्रिडोमिनेटली वो हैं जो अल्कोहल जब आप सेल्स करते हैं तो दे प्रो अल्कोहल. सी अल्कोहल सेल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ रेस्टोरेंट. वेर एवर यू हैव अल्कोहल, it's a good revenue stream, right? So it's important. So most people who start a restaurant, who start a bar, they are pro alcohol, right? They like alcohol as a concept and as a product, and we don't want to disturb that feeling. We just say कि that आप इसको रख लो. अगर आपके पास जो कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं ना, आपकी 5 लोगों की टेबल पे अगर एक भी नॉन ड्रिंकर होगा तो उसको ये ऑप्शन दे देना. एंड कोई भी, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, अभी बता रहा हूँ कि लाइक मोस्टली जो लोग मूड बना के घर से निकलते हैं कि दैट वी आर गोइंग विद फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव ड्रिंक्स, दे विल हैव देयर ड्रिंक्स, बट उसमें से एक फ्रेंड है जो नहीं पीता है, राइट? तो उसके लिए हमने ये बना दिया है. एंड जैसे जैसे करके वो नंबर बढ़ता जाएगा. प्लस यू सी, इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस दैट द रेस्टोरेंट्स मेक मनी फ्रॉम नॉन अल्कोहलिक बेवरेजेस टू. Right? So we are giving them a premium product that they can sell, put it in their menu, and make money out of a non-alcoholic beverage too. Today I meet so many mixologists, like bar heads who work, who are running the show for these restaurants. Most of them who are, who do their homework, who are exposed to what's happening in the world, they instantly understand what we've created. They're like, lao de do, ये आ रहा है, ये टाइम आ चुका है, रख दो. बार कंसल्टेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने अब हमारे प्रोडक्ट की रेसिपी यूज़ करके जो अब नए मेन्यूज़ बन रहे हैं उसमें डाल दिए हैं. राइट? पर अभी भी कुछ लोग हैं जो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं, हु आर लाइक नहीं मानने को तैयार हैं, तो हम उन्हें ये कहते हैं कोई बात नहीं,
We'll come later.
विल कम लेटर. आज हम उन्हीं को सर्विस कर रहे हैं जिनको समझ आ गया ये क्या चीज़ बनाई है हमने. And जिनको समझ आ गया है, they love it. They swear by it. We have restaurants who are doing 30-40 bottles a month. We have bars, hotels who are repeatedly placing orders, making drinks, serving drinks as is, or making zero-proof cocktails. We have celebrity chefs. We have bartenders, mixologists who have created recipes for us. We give these recipes to these bars. Some of them create their own recipes. And then now we have quick commerce, which is your Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart, where we are selling our cans. So can se yaad aaya ki that we have the can, please let's try. So this is a product that we sell on our on platforms like Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart. These are pre-mixed with tonic water. So essentially the same concentrate that you get in our bottles, but pre-mixed with tonic water. Our recipe of tonic water. So this is a gin and tonic. It's called Delhi 6 Botanic. Delhi 6 Botanic is inspired by the Khari Bauli spice market.
Okay.
It's the oldest spice market in Old Delhi. And we have cinnamon, cardamom, fennel as flavors in this gin. We've also added rose and saffron in this. Our idea behind this was to yes, give that resemblance to gin, but give a good mouth feel. People who love cinnamon, people who love spices, they will enjoy this the most. So let's pop it open and try it.
The packaging is so cute.
Oh, thank you. So packaging also has a story behind it.
There's this Red Fort.
Yeah, so there's Red Fort and ऐसे ओल्ड दिल्ली के छोटे छोटे हमने घर बनाए. इसको भी इलस्ट्रेशन को बनाने में भी इतना टाइम लग जाता था. एंड ये जो कैट है ना हमारी, इसका नाम है बटूटा. एंड दिस इज अ ट्रैवलिंग कैट.
Why only cat?
Because I feel that cats are smart. and
like
drinking
cats?
catwalk. Not I like animals.
Okay.
I love animals, like doesn't matter मुझे dogs cats दोनों बहुत पसंद है. But मैंने इसमें cat इसलिए लिखा था because I just think cats are smarter, and then catwalk is a smart choice, right? And I wanted a traveling cat. You know, cats are wanderers. They would wander, they would explore
Right.
places, right? So this cat was inspired by Ibn Battuta, the medieval traveler. And so the cat travels the world. This is Delhi 6. There's another one called Westminster Botanic, which is inspired by Western, like London flavors.
Okay.
Then there is
But actually, the
a
pictures over here are very innovative. This is something very creative. This red
Yeah.
food picture and everything.
yeah. So,
This is so creative.
and we have, like, for example, we have Stockholm Infusion. It has Stockholm in the background.
Hmm.
We have Barbados Infusion. It has a beach in Barbados in the background. Cheers.
Cheers.
And, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's strong, but it's nice. It's different.
सो स्ट्रॉन्ग इसलिए रखा था सो दैट एक बार में ख़त्म नहीं होगा ऐसे, यू नो, बिकॉज अगर एक बार में ख़त्म हो जाएगा देन यूर एनी नॉन
हाँ,
अल्कोहलिक
वो तो
बेवरेज,
रेड
राइट?
बुल भी है. रेड बुल भी
Yeah.
मुझसे 2 सिप के आगे इतना स्ट्रांग हो जाता है, मुझे उससे आगे नहीं पिया जाता.
नहीं, अगर आप इफ यू लुक एट कोक और जूस, आप एक बार में उसे ख़त्म कर देते हो.
राइट.
बट ये एक अल्कोहल अल्टरनेटिव है. हमारी पोजिशनिंग है कि वी आर अल्कोहल अल्टरनेटिव्स, वी आर नॉट जस्ट अ नॉन अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज, राइट?
Right.
हमारी पोजिशनिंग है कि दैट आप इसको, यू कैन होल्ड द ड्रिंक, यू कैन सिप इट while you're socializing, while you're talking to your friends, you can enjoy it. It's going to be strong, but after a while you will, like, you'll have 2 sips, then your palate will miss the flavors that you just tasted, so you'll go back to it. That was the idea behind it.
Initially, you told, I saw the Shark Tank episode that you told that initially you started marketing with ads and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, which marketing campaign worked the best for you, or which marketing channel worked the best for you?
Yeah, marketing के लिए तो देखो, Instagram works really well for us in terms of reaching out to the customers. Facebook as well for that matter. But देखो, डिपेंड करता है ना आपका गोल्स क्या है मार्केटिंग से. हमारा गोल व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑनलाइन, हम इतना सेल्स पे फोकस नहीं करते हैं जितना वी वांट टू पुट द मैसेज आउट ब्रांडिंग के लिए, राइट? But one of the things that really work for us is on-ground marketing, which is, you know, to promote the drink in the restaurant that we are selling the drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, are there any new flavors also coming or something?
Yeah, we keep working. Yeah, like, देखो, जितना भी अल्कोहल स्पिरिट्स है ना, उनका ऑल्टरनेटिव हमारा बनाना हमारा विजन है. जो जल्दी अच्छे से बन जाएगा और हमें पसंद आ जाएगा, दैट इज़ रेडी फॉर लॉन्च, उसको हम लॉन्च कर देंगे. पर जब तक वो नहीं हमें पसंद आ रहा, और जब तक हमें, यू नो, अब जैसे मैं आपको छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे, यू नो, मॉल्ट बेवरेज बनाना पड़ता है. विस्की इज़ अ मॉल्ट बेस्ड बेवरेज, राइट? अब मोस्टली जो नॉन अल्कोहलिक विस्कीज आपको वर्ल्ड में मिल रही हैं, दे हैव अल्कोहल, दे हैव शुगर इन इट, राइट? बिकॉज दे वांट टू मेक इट टेस्टी एज वेल, राइट? बट इट्स डिस्गस्टिंग, like the non-alcoholic whiskeys that you get in the world. So we are also trying to build something. We don't want to make it syrupy. We don't want to add cornstarch to it. So ये सब छोटी छोटी nitty-gritties होती हैं जिनको आप फोकस करते हो. और जब आप नेचुरल बना लो, अब हमने इसमें सारे नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाले हैं, तो जब हम नेचुरली एक चीज़ अच्छी बना लेंगे तो वो लॉन्च हो जाएगी. अगर नहीं बना पाएंगे तो कोशिश करते रहेंगे.
Okay. Okay. So, last question from my
Sure.
end. Okay. That would be, where do you see Catwalk in coming 3 to 5 years?
Okay, so there are two folds to this question, and I'm going to give you answer in 2 parts. One is, I see Catwalk in the next 3 to 5 years. I see Catwalk as a very relevant alcohol alternative for people who are not drinking, who don't want to drink, or who want to quit drinking or cut down. So our idea is to make it a very relevant alternative. People to know about it, to people to have their own favorite flavors, and be available where people need us,
Okay.
right? The second is that the category itself. I see this category becoming huge in the next 3 to 5 years. I know Vineeta said 20 years. So चलो अब क्या ही बोले. सो 20 years तो नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कि दैट इतना टाइम लगेगा. बट हाँ, when it comes to an like Vinita's point of view, maybe she was looking at कि that 20 years में वो उतना बड़ा हो जाएगा कि that cosmetics जैसे है वो उतना बड़ा हो जाएगा, which is also not a bad shout. कि अगर आपको today आप यहाँ पर हो और 20 साल के बाद आप ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री जितने बड़े हो जाओगे तो that's not bad, right? So ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि that 3 से 5 साल के बाद इम्पैक्ट फील नहीं होगा, फील तो होगा. हम उस इम्पैक्ट का वेट कर रहे हैं और उस इम्पैक्ट को लाने के लिए जो भी चीज़ें करने की ज़रूरत है वो हम कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
कि दैट नेक्स्ट 5 years में जब when people reach that point where they are actively looking for alternatives, today some people are looking today, so we are giving it to them today, but in next 5 years more people will be looking for it, so we want to make sure that we are in more places. राइट. सो जैसे जैसे वो ट्रेंड बढ़ रहा है वैसे वैसे हम भी अपना नेटवर्क बढ़ा रहे हैं कि दैट पीपल गेट एक्सेस टू कैटवॉक wherever they go.
Okay, very great. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for
Likewise.
coming.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
And that's a wrap for this particular episode. If you like this episode, do leave a review in the comment section. And do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.